This is my reflection on digital story. I created this video and I wanted to reflect on two areas of learning for me. So first was pedagogy and the choices related to that, and then technology, the challenges related to that. As regards pedagogy, well, I had in mind the learning objective of this particular module in my course. So that was to learn about policy process and policy communication using various media. The target group, however, that I have in mind is a little bit specific. These are people trained in academic style presentations, and what it means is that for them 3-minute video stories are not really considered learning. They are not, this form of video is probably considered more to be entertainment rather than actual information. So I had to keep that in mind. I also had to keep in mind the context. So this was a middle module of a 3-module course where, let's say, the first module is more theoretical, based on literature, more, let's say, academic. And the last module is more hands-on with a lot of technology exercises. So the middle module is where the two should actually meet to close the first module and to open up the last one. So in the end, I treated this the digital story as an introduction to the ideas that will be then repeated throughout the module. Then what I used Adobe Spark. However, it wasn't enough really, because that was the first time I was using this software in this enhanced manner really. So I discovered that there are things I couldn't do. So I had to add at least one slide in PowerPoint that then I recorded with Screencast-O-Matic. I also learned for the first time how to look for the videos online and how to embed them in another program and how to work with them in Adobe Spark. And I also faced a lot of voiceover recording issues. So I discovered that there is a bug to use Adobe Spark in Chrome. It actually doesn't work very well. So I had to change a browser. Then also, when I was, what I didn't like about it was that I was only able to record voiceover on a given slide, and I had a lot of pacing issues when I was putting the slides together. Then there is a clear difference in the voice level between the slides, the voiceover work that I was doing with Adobe Spark, and the PowerPoint slide that I also recorded and incorporated in my story. But apart from that, I really liked the experience, and I learned a lot. Thank you.